Did you know Canva isn't just a design tool, but a legit way to earn money online even if you've never designed anything before? Imagine creating a simple social media post, or a clean-looking template, and getting paid for it. Sounds wild, right? But thousands of people are already doing it, and today, I'll show you exactly how. Here's the exciting part. You don't even need Canva's paid version to get started. In fact, I'll walk you through 5 ways to make money using only Canva's free plan, and then I'll show you 5 advanced methods that unlock once you upgrade to Canva Pro. By the end of this video, you'll know 10 different income streams you can start building. No fancy equipment, no design degree, just you and Canva. But here's the question. Which of these methods are the easiest for complete beginners? Which ones have the highest earning potential? And most importantly, how can you actually turn your Canva creations into real money in your pocket? Stick with me, because I'm going to break it all down step by step. Canva has become one of the most powerful online tools with over 100 million users creating everything from Instagram posts to business presentations. And here's the crazy part. While most people are using it just for school projects, work slides, or personal graphics, a small group of creators is using the exact same tools to generate side hustles, passive income streams, and even full-time businesses. So, grab a notebook, because I'm about to reveal 10 proven ways to make money online using Canva. We'll start with the free plan ideas. You'll be shocked at how much potential there is without spending a single dollar. Alright, let's start with the free plan. These methods don't require you to spend a single dollar, but if you put in the effort, they can start generating real income for you. 1. Print-on-demand designs. This is one of the most popular ways people are earning with Canva. Here's how it works. First, use Canva to design simple graphics for t-shirts, mugs, or tote bags. Don't overthink it. Minimalist quotes, trendy phrases, or simple icons sell surprisingly well. Next, upload your designs to print-on-demand sites like Redbubble, Teespring, or Merch by Amazon. Every time someone buys one of your designs, the platform prints the product, ships it, and you get paid. No inventory, no upfront costs. It's hands-off, and if one of your designs goes viral, you could be earning while you sleep. 2. Social media templates for creators. Everyone wants to grow on Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest, but not everyone knows how to design eye-catching posts. That's where you step in. Use Canva's free templates to create sets of editable posts, stories, or Pinterest pins. Sell them as digital downloads on Etsy or promote your services on Fiverr. The best part? You only need to make a template once, and you can sell it hundreds of times. That's passive income with zero extra effort. 3. Ebooks and workbooks. Coaches, teachers, and entrepreneurs all need professional-looking guides or workbooks, but most don't know how to design them. With Canva, you can create clean PDF layouts for ebooks, planners, or checklists. You can either sell your own ebook or offer design services to clients. Even something as simple as a 30-day goal planner can sell for $10 to $20 online. Imagine selling a few of those every day. 4. YouTube thumbnails and channel art. Creators know that a thumbnail can make or break a video's success. But here's the secret. Most YouTubers aren't great designers. Use Canva's free photo editing and text tools to create bold, clickable thumbnails. Offer your service on freelance platforms like Upwork, or reach out directly to small creators. Thumbnails take minutes to make, but creators are willing to pay anywhere from $5 to $50 per design, because one good thumbnail can mean thousands more views. 5. Freelance presentation design. Whether it's for school, business, or startups, presentations are in high demand. And Canva makes them ridiculously easy to create. Choose a free template, customize it with the client's branding, and deliver it as a polished slide deck. You can sell this as a service on Fiverr, or offer it to local businesses who need a professional pitch deck. This is a great entry-level service because almost everyone needs presentations at some point, and with Canva, you look like a pro even if you're just starting out. And there you have it. 5 money-making ideas you can start with Canva's free plan. None of these require advanced design skills, and all of them can be started today. Up next, we'll step into the Canva Pro strategies, where the earning potential really opens up. Now that we've covered the free options, let's take things up a notch with Canva Pro. If you're willing to invest a little, less than what most people spend on coffee in a month, you can unlock some powerful features that can turn Canva into a serious money-making machine. 6. Selling templates on Canva's marketplace. This is one of the best passive income opportunities with Canva Pro. Canva allows you to become a contributor and upload your own templates. Every time someone uses your design, you get paid. Think about it, thousands of people search for resumes, social posts, and presentations every single day. If your template gets popular, it could keep generating income on autopilot. 7. Branding packages for businesses. With Canva Pro's Brand Kit, you can create entire branding systems for small businesses. Logos, color palettes, typography, social templates, you can bundle them together as a complete package. Sell this as a freelance service on Fiverr or Upwork, or pitch it directly to startups. Branding is something businesses will pay hundreds of dollars for, and Canva Pro gives you everything you need to deliver professional results. 8. Course and coaching content. Online coaches and educators are booming right now, and they need polished content to sell their expertise. Use Canva Pro to create beautiful course slides, downloadable PDFs, lead magnets, and even worksheets. Package these services for coaches, teachers, or digital creators. This isn't just design, it's helping someone grow their business, and that's why they'll gladly pay for it. 9. Animated videos and reels. Here's where Canva Pro gets really powerful: the ability to create animated content. Use animations, transitions, and Canva's stock footage to design promo videos, ads, and Instagram reels. Businesses are constantly searching for engaging short-form content, and you can deliver it without ever touching expensive video editing software. Quick, fun videos are in demand right now, and you can make them directly in Canva. 10. Digital product shops. Finally, one of the most scalable opportunities: selling digital products. With Canva Pro, you can design planners, calendars, journals, or social media kits. Sell them on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own Shopify store. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once, and they can sell forever. Many Etsy sellers are making thousands each month with Canva designed products, and there's always room for more. And those are your 5 Canva Pro income streams. If you're ready to invest in yourself, Pro unlocks features that make your work more professional, more valuable, and much easier to sell. So there you have it, 10 ways to make money online using Canva. The first 5 can be done with nothing but the free plan, and the last 5 unlock even more potential once you upgrade to Canva Pro. The truth is, Canva has removed all the excuses. You don't need expensive design software, years of training, or even a background in business. All you need is an idea, the willingness to take action, and a little consistency. Think about it, just one design could turn into passive income if you upload it to a marketplace. One template could become a bestseller on Etsy. One thumbnail could help a YouTuber's video blow up, and they'll come back to you again and again. The question is, which of these ideas will you try first? If you're just getting started, pick one of the free plan methods and test it out this week. If you're ready to go bigger, Canva Pro gives you tools that make your design stand out and your services more valuable. Either way, the opportunity is sitting right in front of you. You just have to grab it. And hey, if this video gave you some ideas, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more ways to earn money online, and drop a comment below telling me which Canva hustle you're going to try. Who knows, your comment might inspire someone else to start their journey too. Remember, Canva isn't just for designing, it's for building your next income stream. So get out there, start creating, and start earning.